10 places to visit in Maldives. So the first place to visit is Mail City. If you want a relaxing and calming getaway with some Indian bazaar touch, then you must visit Mail City, the capital of Maldives. You will be amazed to witness some fascinating sights around its streets like the 17th century Friday Mosque and Islamic Center. Besides this, to add a treat to your eyes, you can enjoy the picturesque sceneries and beautiful island canopy. You can enjoy some exciting adventures from water sports to engage yourself in some amazing carnivals. If you love shopping like me, then the Mail Market is a must for you. If you are a fan of fresh fish, then do visit the fish market here. Also, you must visit Munnaru, which is the oldest building in the city, for some astonishing experiences. So the next place is Komokokwa Island. If you want to escape from the hustle of life and want a cozy trip to some relaxing island, then you must visit Komokokwa Island. You will feel pampered by the place itself, as you will witness luxurious villas with top hospitality, and you will be finding the perfect romantic getaway when you will witness these magically fascinating resorts and villas. With the beauty of the island, with clear blue water and relaxing shores, your soul will rejuvenate. You will fall for some exciting adventure sports like scuba diving, snorkeling, and some relaxing spa retreats. The third place is Adu Atoll. If you want to enjoy astounding vibes of island surrounding you, then you should visit Adu Atoll, which comprises some mind-blogging and stupendous islands, namely Gan Island, Hitadu Island, etc. Visiting these islands, you will get to experience some insights into Maldivian culture and the local lives of people in the clean green villages of these islands. I personally enjoyed the sight of tall and shady coconut trees in the small villages. The next is Wadu Island. Another island which is a must to visit is Wadu Island, which will mesmerize you with its stunning beaches, landscapes, and picturesque beauty. Like me, you will be left spellbounded by its incredible night beauty, as when the sun goes down, the sea waves light up the shore and the scene appears at the starlight night sky. This glittering and shimmering happen because of the glow of the aquatic creatures in the dark. You can witness this glorious sight even better by the cruise when you will be among the water. You will be astonished by the rich marine life and colorful corals of the island. You can enjoy some water adventures and your cozy stay at some luxurious resorts. So the next place is Mafushi. If you want some heart-filling vacation, then you must visit Mafushi Island, as it has everything from offering a myriad of water sports and thrilling activities to some mouth-watering delicacies. Not only this, it offers you an unforgettable charm, as you will explore some colorful diversity of fishes and corals in this clean blue water. The fun-filled activities which make your trip worth include shark diving, scuba diving, dolphin safari, and etc. To make your beach experience more exciting, you should visit Bikini Beach, where you will find people enjoying flaunting their bodies in bikinis and sun tanning. Next is Adu City. If you want to enjoy some hustling city, then you should visit Adu, which is the second largest urban city of Maldives, comprising some amazing islands. This heart-shaped city will captivate you, especially couples, with its fascinating beauty. Besides its stupendous islands and beach life, this city has some interesting historical sites such as the Mosque of the Judge and many more, which explain city's historical significance. The next one is Artificial Beach. If you want to visit a serene place with fascinating beauty, then you must visit Artificial Beach. Besides offering the most amazing swimming destinations, it organizes many carnivals and some thrilling water sports. If you love music, evening life at the beach, then you should definitely enjoy nightlife at this place, as many music bands perform and jam together in the evenings and offer you a delightful time. Definite spots to visit at this beach include Manta Point, Shark Point, and etc. So the next is Fuladu Island. If you want to visit the most tranquilizing environment where you can enjoy the calm ambience and relax, then Fuladu Island is the right place to visit. You will be just stunned to witness a place with clear lagoons, shady palm trees, white sand beaches, and the most calming environment. Though it might look like an isolated place, exploring it will be the most enchanting experience. You can spend your time at these magnificent islands by engaging in thrilling activities such as diving, turtle, and dolphin spotting, or relax at the lavish resorts, or swim in the blue lagoons, or just take a walk through its lovely villages. Next is the Muraka Conrad. Always wanted to experience what it's like to be living under the clean blue water? Then you should fulfill your dream by visit the Muraka, a two-level undersea villa in the Conrad Maldives resort. There you will get to experience life under the blue water, including dining and sleeping. Besides witnessing life underwater, you can enjoy facilities like spa, pool, private chef and butler, and also water sports such as diving, jet skiing, etc. So the last place is Banana Reef. As the name suggests, Banana Reef is a perfect destination for all divers and adventure enthusiasts to experience an adventure beyond the limits of the surface. The place is embellished with colorful coral reefs, elevated cliffs, and mesmerizing caves. The temperature of the water ranging from 24 to 29 degrees Celsius is quite accommodating for the exploration of this majestic place.